Imagine we are still covering excretion and homeostasis, and one of the body organs, in fact, the largest organ in the human body that is responsible for homeostasis and excretion is the skin. But I decided to take another different approach in how I teach and how I involve you in this discussion and teachings about the skin. And so we are going to be doing a series of experiments that will help you understand the different parts and then the roles of these different parts. When you look at your body and my body, you'll notice that almost every part of our body is covered with skin, but there is a slight change. You'll notice that in some areas, there is very tough skin, okay? And in some areas, it is very soft. But in some areas, very tough. Yes, you did not know the nails are part of your skin. Imagine, even the toenails. Now, this outer part of the skin that you see, it is hard and it is toughened and it is made up of dead cells. Dead cells, why? If somebody pulls up my hair, just gently like this, okay, this is not my hair. Let's say somebody pulls up my hair just gently, I won't feel pain because they're not, they're not pulling me so hard. But if just a little nudge and a little pull, I'll not feel pain. A little slap there, a little slap here, another one here, another one here. I'll not feel intense pain, or sometimes I will not even feel anything at all. Or if anybody just touches you, you'll not feel pain. In fact, you're just going to feel that somebody is touching you or something is touching you, but there's no pain because this first layer is made up of dead, flattened cells and they are very hard. So do you see the way mahindi ukua ngumu? Like the way corn, C-O-R-N, is very tough, especially corn that has matured and then it has been dried up. That corn is very hard. So that is where this outer part of the skin gets its name from. Corn, hard, the hardness of the maize seed itself after it has matured. So it is called the cornified layer. Say that again, the cornified layer. And this is the first part. The from the word corn, cornified layer. Dead, tough, flattened cells. Very dead, you can't feel pain. So that's the first part of the skin. In the next video, I'm going to show you the cornified layer in action. That way, when you see it in action, you will understand it better. So the main trick here is for you not to cram that this is called the cornified layer, but to understand what would happen if we did not have the cornified layer. What would happen if we had no cornified layer? Okay? Yes. See you in the next one.